at Florence Nightingale's house, London, July the 30th, 1890. When I am no longer even a memory, just and vain, I hope my voice may perpetuate the great work of my life. God bless my dear old comrades of Balaclava and bring them safe to shore. Florence Nightingale. At Florence Nightingale's house,